Welcome to my channel Home Decor and Design, where we embark on a journey of transforming spaces into a captivating heaven through the lens of home decor. Today's video is an ode to the timeless elegance that well curated wall clock can bring to any space. We're diving deep into the realm of aesthetic and fancy wall clock designs, exploring a plethora of options that not only serve the practical purpose of keeping the time but also double as executive pieces of art that elevate the ambience of your home. In the world of home decor, the walls are like blank canvases waiting to be adorned with expression of personal style. And what better way to make a statement or statement than with a carefully chosen wall clock? Our exploration begins with an array of aesthetic design that seamlessly blend functionality with visual appeal. From minimalist and modern timepieces to intricately detailed vintage inspired clock. We are delving into the diverse spectrum of aesthetics that can complement any interior theme. Fancy wall clock designs take center stage as we unveil a collection that goes beyond the ordinary. These clocks are not merely instruments to tell time, they are artistic statements that reflect creativity and individuality. Prepare to be enchanted by ornate detail, unique materials, and innovative shapes that push the boundaries of conventional design. We will be showcasing clocks that serve as conversation starters, capturing the attention of anyone who enters your space. Throughout this video, we will also offer practical tips on how to integrate these aesthetic and fancy wall clocks seamlessly into your home decor. Whether you are aiming for a cohesive look or prefer a mix and match approach, we have got you covered. We'll also explore various placement ideas from creating a focal point in your living room to adding a touch of luxury to your bedroom or office space. Join us as we celebrate the marriage of functionality and aesthetic, where every tick of the clock resonates with style. Our mission at Home Decor and Design is to inspire you to create a home that not only meets your practical needs but also reflects your unique personality. After all, home decor is a form of self expression, and with the right wall clock, you can make the time stand still in the most beautiful way possible. So sit back, relax,